Here I am doing the back yoke. I'm placing the back leg over the yoke at a 1 centimeter overlap. And I'm going to stitch in the middle of that overlap. And I'm going to be constantly checking so that my margins are consistent with 1 centimeter. I'm using a longer stitch. I think, oh no, I set it at 4.5. Here I'm going to be iron pressing the yoke, the overlap, to make it look neat for the top stitching. I'm going to do the double row of top stitching. The distance of the top stitch from the edge is 1/8 of an inch. I'm using right side zip foot. The distance between the two rows is a 1/4 inch. And I'm checking if I have the right measurement there. When I'm doing this stitching, I look at the other foot because this is a two-piece foot, and I look at actually I look at the middle of that right or left foot, because that from there and to where I'm stitching is 1/4 inch. So that's how I do my double row 1/4 inch stitching. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the other side of the other side. So and then we gonna put down the pockets.